Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how you can duplicate a page in WordPress. So firstly, open your WordPress dashboard in your browser. Then in order for you to actually duplicate the page, what you have to do is download a plugin. So just simply go to plugins, then add new plugin, then just simply search for duplicate page, and the plugin that we're looking for is this one. So just simply click on it. Now just simply hit install and activate, and wait for a few seconds until it installs and activates. Then after that, just simply hit manage plugin. Now as you can see, it has been updated. Now just simply hit settings, and over here is the setting page if you want to change anything over here. Now in order for you to actually duplicate the pages, just simply hit pages. Then let's go back to the classic view. So just simply hit view over here, then go to classic view. Now if you just simply hover over any page, you will find there is a new title called duplicate this. So just simply hover over any page or post and click duplicate this, and a new duplication will be made of that particular page. Then you can just simply edit this and change few things, or you can just simply publish the entire page itself. So it's up to you. So that's how you can duplicate pages in WordPress. So thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.